What's up, guys? It's your boy Pokelito back with another video. Today we got the Temporal Forces ETB. Shout out to my boy Cheney for going to the Pokemon vending machine. It's been down for the past almost 2 weeks, so I quit going over there for the few days. And sure enough, my homeboy hit it up today and got this ETB for me. So that way we can open it on the channel. So we're going to see what we can get, pull. Yeah, I really haven't had no luck finding anything here recently. This is something new to the channel. I haven't opened up much to Temporal Forces, but we're going to jump right into it. Just at that. Look at the book right quick. Let's see what we're pulling. What are we going for? Let's see what we're going for right quick. Let me just take a quick little gander. What's the main pull here? Any one of these cards are going to be cool. The Raging Bolt, the Iron Boulder, Iron Crown. So we're going to jump right into it. And we're just going to pull this out. Got our packs. It's got a bink. Got our dice. And then we got our card sleeves, and then my dog is over here. Hey! Sorry. He's drinking out of my wife's plant bowl thing. I don't know why. He's going crazy over here. Anyways, got our dividers right here. Got the Iron Thorns. I love that promo card. It's a dope promo card. Got our sleeves. Put that right there. And then got our damage stuff. So, alright, we're going to put all that in there. We're going to jump right into these packs. Just a quick little video again. Shout out to my homeboy Cheney for coming in clutch. Finding this for me out there. Always got to count them just in case. You never know. Alright, let's jump right into this. Oh. First pack magic, huh, Shane? Mm-hmm. What else you see up there? You said you seen a booster box?
Yeah,
Paradox Rift booster box. I'm gonna go up there in the morning and see if it's still there. If it is, I think I see something out there too. If it is still back there, over there, we're gonna maybe try to snag it. Told you I've seen something. Shoo! First pull, let's go. Awesome card. Watch this. We're going to use these new sleeves to put it in. First pull, let's go. Oh. Shoo, I like these. These sleeves aren't bad at all. I want to do sleeves. Got a bink. Just got a love. Come on. I think I see something again. I messed up when I opened it, but I think I see something. Latias. Great Tusk. Bronzong. Torpedo. I love that. Kalido. The Raging Bolt. And an Energy. Oh, Pikachu. Have any of y'all had luck on the Destined Rivals? I know I pulled the chase card already, but let me know how y'all are having any luck with it. If y'all been able to find anything in the wild. Honestly, I just haven't been looking these past few days. Been at work, grinding. So hopefully I can. Okay, there we go. The Prime Catcher. What's that, Dua Lipa? I'm just kidding. Drampa. You want to open one, Shane?
You got him. Yeah.
I said I'm on one. Scala Love, Scala B, Skitty,
What?
Electrobuzz, Shaman, Fortress, Deerling, the Fluttermane, the Fluttermane, come on, mine. Come on, mine. Just having around. It's pretty late tonight. We're ripping some packs. Like I said, I ain't ripped a couple packs here in a few days. Like I said, I've been on the grind at work trying to. And I'm going to go ahead and put the energy. I don't like seeing the energy less, so. Rock Rough. Banana Pudding. Shallow. You know, honestly, I haven't opened up much. I mean, I've opened up a lot, but I feel like I haven't opened up that much Temporal Forces, to be honest with you. I mean, I think this is probably the least amount of... Scarlet Violet wise is probably the least amount I've opened. I mean, I've opened up a ton of Bays, Paldea, and Obsidian Flames, but Temporal is not too much. So this kind of is actually pretty fun.
Let's see you pull that mug. The good one.
I said I'm always energy litting. Shamoy. Sharumis. Lit.
Charge your bug.
Powderbug.
Powder puff.
Full Metal Labyrinth.
Wiggly Tough.
Rebecca.
Brown Beetle.
I think I'm just going to start calling all these Pokemon random names. If y'all get mad, just let me know in the comments. Skitty, Body, Wow. And also, let me know if y'all got the Switch 2. I'm trying to get my hands on a Switch 2. Hopefully, tomorrow, I'm going to try to mess around and energy. Get me one. And try to. Can't make no promises. But if I do get one, I will do an unboxing. And I'm going to start doing some live streams of Pokemon on the channel. Man, nothing.
Clock strikes noon.
Come on, give me something.
Triple five.
Anything. But this has been fun. I've had a blast. Always enjoy ripping packs. It's been a couple of days since I've ripped. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all about it. Even Pokelido had to take a break. Okay, I'm pulling. This is the exact same pack I just opened. Okay, I finally. Shoo! Let's go, double banger. Let's freaking go, dude.
Clock's going. And you pull.
Let's go. Skippity doppity doo. Shoo leela. I like this card a lot. What's that, macaroni? I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Wow. 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 Sure.
Love this card. It's dope.
Weird.
Alright, last pack magic. Come on. Here we go. Last pack magic. For the one time, the one pack of the last pack magic. Can we hit? Can we hit? And lightning energy. Oh! Let's go. Okay. There we go. Does that mean we're going to hit right here?
What else you better hit? Shremish. LPM.
Shoot! There we go. Iron Crown and the Iron Leaves.
Dope, honestly.
So let's go. Alright, guys. Well, that's it. quick little ETB unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a comment, leave a like, and please subscribe. Helps me out. Helps me, you know, yeah, it just helps me, you know, see if y'all are enjoying the content. So thank you again, guys, and I'm out. Peace.